After you've installed your Main Street software, one of the first things that you'll want to do in the setup procedure is set up your company's name and address and phone information so that this information will print on all of your work orders and invoices, as well as other documents that you print out of your Main Street software. So to begin with, you'll want to go to Help and then choose Company Name. The first field is the company ID. The company ID can be found on the blue instruction sheet that you received with your disk. There'll be a sticker at the top of that that has the company ID on it. If you're using the Main Street hosted software, the company ID will already be filled in for you. If you're not able to find your company ID, simply call our 800 number and ask the receptionist and she can give you your company ID. Next, you'll want to fill in the name information. You'll notice that there are two lines available for the name. So if you have a company name and then a DBA name that you'd like to put in, or have a division, anything like that that you might need more space, you can use both lines. After that, there's a spot for the address information. So you'll just fill in your basic address information, city and state information. And then the county can be filled in if you desire, but does not need to. The country does not need to be filled in normally, although if you are in Canada, you will want to fill in the country information with a CAN. This will reset the program so that certain fields will be set up to the Canadian standards, such as the zip code field will be post and the state will be province. There are two sections for phone numbers, phone and local phone. This would be used if you had an 800 number and then a regular local phone number. If you just have a local phone number, though, you can fill it in either of the two fields. You'll need to fill in your federal tax ID number. The state tax ID is optional. And then the contact can be left blank if you'd like. This would normally just be the person who would be responsible for the EDI billing. And then the payroll account drop-down is only listed if you have the Main Street payroll module. And if you do have that payroll module, this would be where you would be picking which bank account the money is to be withdrawn from when you create payroll checks. After you've filled in all of the appropriate information, you're simply going to go up to the top, click on the Save icon, and then after the information has been saved, click on the X, and then whenever you print, your name and address information will print on your invoices.